What's going on, YouTube? It's a beautiful day to have a car rally. As you guys can see, the weather's perfect. I'm actually at the Mall of Millennia again with, as you guys can see, a few Beamers. We are actually having a Orlando Beamer Club car rally today. We haven't had an Orlando Beamer Club meeting or event or rally, I want to say, in like 2 years. So Randy, who started OBC, should be coming here. He asked me and Danny to kind of revitalize OBC. We haven't done anything, like I said, in like 2 years, so he asked me to just help him start doing events again, hosting events. So as you guys can see, we have a huge, good turnout for this little car rally we're gonna do to Yalaha Bakery, which is like a local bakery here in Orlando. Going up there, we're gonna take some back roads, so it should be a fun time. My boy Percy got the F8x cleaned up with the new wheels. First time people are seeing it in public. Got some beautiful cars here, as you guys can see. We're just meeting up here. It should be like a small rally. Hopefully it's only like this amount of people, because you know, when you get too big of a rally, you start losing people at red lights and stuff like that. Got my boy Percy. Got another 4 Series over here. Super nice turnout so far. Super nice day, as you guys can see. The mall security already came by and he was like, as long as you guys don't do any burnouts or revving, you guys are straight. Obviously, same guys last time for Desertland, so that was cool. We got all the homies today. Yo. Got Ray's M4, Steven's G80. Yeah. Got Ray. What's up, buddy? Detail Grand. What's going on? What up, eh?
Yo, what's up, man? Hey.
Got the boys. Got Oscar. What's going on? My boy Randy.
What's up, man?
Cooling it.
I see y'all.
My dog Randy.
I see y'all. Hey,
G80 Enzo. You already know. We out here.
What up to, man?
Clean, don't you clean him? Bro, just come late to work. ¿Qué pasó? M3 City. All the homies pulling up today. Got Daytona Violet F80 with a GTS hood. Steven's G80. Ray's M4.
Is it?
Solid lineup today.
It's
Alright, we got a good turnout. I think it's about like 20 cars, so we should be rolling out soon. I think I'm gonna have a driver's meeting with Randy. We're gonna give everybody like the route and the addresses and the stops, so it's gonna be a fun day. Can't not have a good day on a rally. Let's go. Hey, everybody follow Steven. Everybody follow Randy. Check out his G80.
You're doing decals with it. I don't know if you want to clean.
So clean. My boy upgraded from an M4. Been following him and talking to him on Instagram for the longest time. It's good to put a face to the build finally. But his Brooklyn Gray G80 is so clean. Congrats to him. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the route we are taking today. I just posted it in our Facebook group, Orlando Beamer Club admin, CEO, starter. We're revitalizing the club, right?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
You know the vibe.
Yeah. All right, everybody starting their cars. We're about to roll out. We're gonna go to a Shell gas station first. Me and Randy are gonna lead, so let's get it. We got the whole crew behind. All right, we out here. We leading the pack. We got a huge lineup. There's probably like 20 Beamers here. We're gonna do a cruise to a Shell gas station, let everybody gas up, and then we're gonna start taking the back roads. Yo, we got a rowdy bunch today. Everybody is, I would say, cruising the speed limit, you already know. Definitely a rowdy bunch, but we're pulling into the Shell now. As you guys can see, we're about to do a gas station takeover. Casual gas station takeover. Sick lineup. Definitely had a blast on the way here. Already know, got to get that Shell 93. Yep. Yo, they were mobbing.
Yeah, I know.
They were mobbing right by you. That's typical Ray fashion though, you know. My boy Joshy back on the vlogs. Man came down from, you came down today, right? From Gainesville?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you guys see the new wheels? So he came down from Gainesville. He was actually on a turnpike stop, and then he saw us all rolling by, and Ray did a casual speed limit pull by him. Yo,
75 or something.
you guys are about to see it first. Wheel reveal of the century. Me and Josh upgraded. Oh, shit. We got the bulk TE37s, brand new. Not even what, 2 days old. God damn, bro.
Titanium gunmetal. So there's
Go ahead,
only
tell
like
the
10
people.
sets of them. Wait, what?
Tell the people.
Oh yeah. So these are titanium and gunmetal, and there's only 10 sets of these in the world.
Damn, 1 of 10, bro. Damn, look at that fitment. You guys saw in a previous video, he got lowered, and now he has TE37, so man's flexing on us all. Jeez. Everybody's fueling up. Just a little pit stop before we hit the back roads. So sick. Got a beautiful M2 competition with carbon ceramics and the gold 763Ms. Love this spec. The wheels look beautiful, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Got my HREs decently cleaned up. We got Josh's Supra with the new TEs, E92. All these cars sounded so nice on the highway. Catless downpipes and stuff. We got Oscar's M3. Got my boy, just met today. Make sure you give him a follow as well. Absolute Domo on Instagram. Clean, secure, orange, F80, 6-speed. We got Santiago's F82. So clean. We got Ray's M4. I'll try to pop everyone's Instagram on the screen now. My boys, M3 City. Make sure you guys follow him as well. He actually just got the equal length mid pipe, so he's been loving his car. I know that's for sure. And the exhaust note. Clean 435, got 335. And his clean E92. Sounds so good. We got detail ground over there. And then Randy's filling up, and then we should be headed out. All right, so we're gonna take some back roads. The plan is Josh is gonna lead. We're gonna go out this road right here and hopefully don't lose anybody. And then we're gonna take it easy, and then we're gonna go take a trip to Mexico, yeah? And TE gang. Yo, they look so hard with like the red calipers and then the sticker. Oh, that's hard too. Yeah. He said he's got matching valve stems too. You gotta start wearing all red. Got Josh lead the pack. We out here.
Turn right to stay on Florida.
We're just cruising right now. The roads are beautiful. We don't want to lose anybody, so we're just kind of cruising. But these streets and these back roads are so beautiful. It's such a nice day. Such a good turnout. I think there's some like bike event going on. Everybody's like lined up on the streets, like this rally was made for us. That's hilarious. So right now we're in Sugarloaf Mountain, and it's the only places in Florida with hills. So as you guys can see there, it doesn't even look like we're in Florida anymore. Super nice views out here.
Alright, yeah, just like flash me or anything if like there's a problem.
Alright, sounds good. Look at the views, guys. We're in the hills of Florida. Talking to the vlog right now, Josh. Yeah, I'm on the phone with Josh, but look at these hills. Sick back roads. Amazing views. We got a whole train behind us. But yeah, we are cruising today, that's for sure.
So there's action right that's it as well.
Alright, we are about to get to the bakery. Shout out to F8 Danny, he couldn't make it today. But shout out to him and shout out to Josh, because this route was fire. Like, so many cool back roads, so many hilly roads. Shout out to you guys for mapping this out, planning it for us. I think everybody's gonna have a good time. I think the scenery, the day, being around a bunch of BMWs and car guys, it was such a blast. We're about to pull into the bakery now, so we have like a huge train of BMWs, so sick. There's like a bike marathon going on today, so I think everybody was probably breaking their necks when they saw our cars rolling by. But yeah, fun day, fun rally for sure. It was definitely more low-key, but you know, there's cops out here, there's speed limit changes and stuff, so, and you also don't want to lose the people behind you, so definitely cruised today, but definitely had a good time. I hope everybody else had a good time. I'm gonna try to get everybody pulling into the bakery on my camera and also on my iPhone, so post it up. we are pulling up into this grass field. Hope everybody's front lip and my front lip are okay, but look at this. We got a huge lineup of Beamers. We got Tampa Beamer. I think they rolled out with about 9 cars total, but this lineup looks sick. Amazing turnout today. Again, I hope everybody had fun. As you guys saw, I got everybody's car cruising in. Look at that. Look at that photo op right there. That looks hard. Oh, I think Josh is following me actually. We're off-road Beamers today. Amazing turnout though. All right, we just parked up onto this tree. And like I said, Tampa Beamer rolled in today. Amazing turnout. Cool to see those guys do a rally of their own. Yo, this is some rich people-ish. Some guy just came here in his helicopter. I can't make this up. That's insane. That's crazy. I thought he was just flying above us, but nah, he decided to land his helicopter here. That's hard. That's baller, bro. Parked up next to these homies. We got Kevin Tips and Tips. What's going on, bro?
Good.
As you guys can see, amazing turnout. Tampa Beamer Club, Orlando Beamer Club. We made a giant L in the field. Also, honorary helicopter joining us. That shit is hard. Amazing turnout. Beautiful day. Josh, shout out to you for leading.
I'm vlogging.
And didn't get pulled over. Oh, you're vlogging? You
Oh,
vlogging?
No.
Yeah, right.
November, October-ish.
We got the F8 hard parked. Might as well change my name to Lawnmower F8 because I was mowing down some grass on the way here, as you guys can see with the dirt. Definitely gonna wipe that off real quick. But F8, it's all cleaned up. I think Josh and I might pull up by the helicopter to take some pics. But beautiful day. Everybody's chilling. A lot of people went into the bakery itself, but we're hanging out here talking to Kevin from Tampa Beamer Club, BMW Invasion. The color on the Z4 is sick. Love it. Another M2 comp. Cool little Z3M. This thing is worth some money, that's for sure. Definitely rare. We got Tipped in Tips. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right here. Shout out to BMW Invasion. We got Randy, G80 Enzo with the M3 CS. You guys know who that is. We got Detail Ground with his 435. Super clean. Another E92. This Daytona Violet F80. Haven't seen him before, but he's a cool guy. We got Absolute Domo. Showed you guys him before. JS Santiago. And just a cool lineup of Beamers. Such a cool day, such a chill day. Then we got Oscar and CD right here. And we got Serena F80. I think some people are heading out. Definitely a good day. About to watch this helicopter take off. If my vlog camera dies, I'll record it on my phone and post it. But yeah, just talk to them, cool guys. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. My camera's about to die. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog content and the rally content, but stay tuned for next week's video. Peace out.